So I just wanted to make this very quick video about my experience with Groupon and the electronics mystery deal. Now, I've been watching some videos online and I've been absolutely amazed at some of the stuff that people are getting. So when I got an email from Groupon to say that they were doing one of these electronics mystery deals, I said, yes, I'm definitely going to take a look at that. So I went on and I ordered the electronics mystery deal, and it was the deluxe version. It was $29.99 plus $2.49 delivery, so 32 something. And the title is The Electronics Mystery Deal with a Chance to Receive an iPad Mini or an iPhone X. And I was like, yeah, sure, I'll take that deal. In the picture, there's the iPhone X, the iPad, there's Sony cameras, there's gimbals, there's earphones, Bluetooth speakers, lots of stuff. And in the deluxe set, it tells you you can win, and I'm going to run through them quickly. An iPhone dock for an iPhone, in-ear headphones, aluminium dock for an iPhone, same thing, fast chargers, the MacBook, the Amazon Echo, iPhone X, Alexa speaker, Samsung hard drives, Debonair airboard, whatever that is, Beats pill, and the Whiting fitness tracker. Now, I don't know what any of them are, but I'm hoping for the iPhone X, the iPad mini, or even the MacBook Pro. So I said I'm going to take that chance. Now, I ordered on the 19th of the month. Delivery was, I think it was 5 to 7 days, maybe. No, up to 8 working days, which was grand. So I waited 3 weeks. And I got on to Groupon, and they asked me to wait another couple of days, and I did. I got back onto them, they asked me to wait another couple of days, and I did. I got back onto them again. I said, look, it's not acceptable. I kind of want a refund at this stage. My items don't seem to be turning up. They were out for packaging on the out for delivery on the 21st. By now it was 3 weeks later, and I said I want a refund. They asked me to wait another couple of days, so I did. I waited another couple of days, and then I got back onto them, and the guy said, I think at this stage it was the 7th of the following month, so almost a month later, and he said, if you can wait till the 26th, and I was like, the 26th is last week, and he says, oh well, in that case wait another couple of days. So anyway, I waited and I waited and I waited, and eventually they told me, right, so they said that you can't have a refund until the products turn up. And I asked, well, when they turn up, if they never turn up, how do I get a refund? And they didn't seem to give me any answer. So they said you have to wait till the products turn up, and then we can issue a refund. And I said, well, if I'm happy with the products, what do I do? And they said you can keep them. So I asked, well, what if I have to wait 3 months for a delivery and I'm happy with the products? And they said, well, then you can keep them. You don't have to keep them if you don't want to. So I said, okay, listen, I'll have to wait. If I have to wait for them to turn up to get a refund, well, that's what I'll do. And eventually, they turned up. Was I excited? Yes, I was excited. And I almost, at this stage, I almost ripped apart the box. So let's see. Let's see what I got in my deluxe, what's it called again? My deluxe electronics mystery deal. Woo! Are you ready for this? I took apart the packaging, and I got in my deluxe mystery set electronics, I got some Lynx shower gel. I did. Two balls of Lynx, which I'm never going to use. And oh, hold on, some electronics. A scabby, skinny little Lynx free. What is it? It's a USB cable and a micro. It's a power bank, which I can only imagine lasts maybe 7 minutes at most, because it came free with a Lynx set. And then that was it. That's a deluxe mystery set. Groupon, you fucking suck donkey. Your customer service is rubbish. Your deluxe electronics set is absolutely diabolical. My power bank, which... So I'm sending it back, and I don't think I'll be ordering again. You Groupon. Take care. Oh, by the way, I done this from. So I was going to get the mystery deluxe set for, and hopefully get some cool electronics to review from my review channel, which you can click here and check it out. Please check out my review channel. There's going to be no reviews of this. It's not electronic enough for my channel. But check it out. Click here, and you can also click on the description, the link in the description down below. And if you want to go to Groupon, I'm gonna leave a Groupon link down there as well. Sure, it, why not? Let's give them a bit of business, and hopefully they start sending people out some proper deluxe sets. So that's my Groupon video. Thank you very much for watching if you got this far, and I'm off for a shower. Take care, bye.